Hello everyone! For today's video ay may bago na naman po tayong video. Ito po ay kung ano at kung paano natin i-activate ang Pay Later. Okay, kung ikaw po ay interesado, tumutok ka lang po dito sa channel and please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, kung ikaw po pala ay hindi pa nakakaalam kung ano ang Pay Later. Ito po ay ibinibigay ni Shopee sa mga qualified buyers na bumili ng item sa Shopee and then pay it later. Or to apply for an installment loan up to 12 months for their Shopee purchases. Ito po pala guys is only applicable for Filipino citizens between 21 to 65 years old and have a valid government ID. Okay, kung paano natin i-activate ang Pay Later, first ay i-open po natin ang ating Shopee application or ang ating Shopee account. And then, sa ibaba po ay i-click po natin tong Me. And then, dito po sa may wallet, may option po dito and i-click po natin itong Pay Later. Okay, may mababasa po tayo dito na why use and how to use Pay Later. Okay, pwede po natin to basahin and then i-click na po natin tong Activate Now. And may matatanggap po tayo sa ating registered mobile number na code sent by SMS. At ilagay po natin dito yung code. And then, i-click po natin tong next. So, ayan nga po guys, kagaya po ng nabanggit ko kanina, it is only applicable for Filipino citizens between 21 to 65 years old. And then, please select your ID type. Okay, pipiliin po natin dito kung ano po yung gagamitin natin na ID. And make sure po pala guys na all the details ay tama at match po sa inyong Shopee Pay personal information. Ito po yung mga ID type na pwede natin gamitin dito sa Shopee Pay Later. Okay? UMID driver's license, passport, PRC ID, SSS ID, PIL ID, ePIL ID, postal ID, TIN ID, and PhilHealth ID. Okay, i-click na po natin tong Upload Your ID. Okay, so ang pinili ko po dito guys ay UMID kasi ito po ang gagamitin kong ID. And then, ilagay po natin dito yung ating ID sa loob ng frame na to. And then, make sure po na hindi po blurred. And then, capture. And then, i-click na po natin tong confirm. And next, additional information. Okay, ilalagay po natin dito yung ating personal information na hinihingi po nila. Like yung ating gender, nationality, date of birth, place of birth, civil status, employment, and so on. Okay, so kailangan po natin i-fill up ang lahat ng mga hinihingi po ng mga detalye. Okay, so after po natin matapos mag-fill up, i-check po natin tong dalawang box for the privacy policy and terms and conditions. And then, i-click po natin tong confirm. Next is start your facial verification. Okay, so itatapat nyo lang po ang inyong face sa bilog. So, ayan po guys, I have successfully activated my Pay Later with a credit limit of 7,500. And now, ay pwede na po ako mag-shop now and pay later next month. So hanggang dito na lang po itong video. Sana po ay nakatulong po ako sa inyo. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much guys sa panonood. God bless and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!